In this video, we are going to see 4th Standard English Term 3 Unit 1 Supplementary The Mistaken Plate. Once upon a time, there lived a merchant who sold things made up of brass and tin. He used to travel across the rivers and mountains to sell. He usually traveled with another merchant who also sold things made up of brass and tin. They also used to buy things made up of different metals to melt and use. The second merchant was always greedy as he tried to pay as less as possible. Once upon a time, there lived a merchant who sold things made up of brass and tin. Merchant means a person who trade. He used to travel across the rivers and mountains to sell. And he usually traveled with another merchant who also sold same brass and tin. They used to buy different metals and melt and use them. The second merchant was very greedy and he tried to pay as less as possible. Greedy means having an excessive desire. One day, they went to a town. They divided the street of the town. They did not want to disturb each other while selling. They moved through the streets they had chosen and called utensils made up of brass and tin for sale. One day, both the merchants went to a town. Both are friends and selling the same things. So they divided the street of the town. They did not want to disturb each other. They moved through the streets and they had chosen and called utensils made up of brass and tin for sale. Utensils means kitchen tools. In an old house, there lived a woman and her granddaughter. They were once a wealthy family but now lived in poverty. They only had one plate left as a memory of their wealth. The grandmother had kept the plate in memory of her husband. In that town, there lived a woman and her granddaughter in an old house. They were once a wealthy family. Wealthy family means they were rich. But now they lived in poverty. Poverty means a state of poor. Now they were very poor. They had only one plate as a memory of their wealth. The grandmother had kept the plate in memory of her husband. The greedy merchant passed this house saying, "Utensil made of brass and tin for sale." The granddaughter heard him and said to her grandmother, "Amma, please buy something for me." The greedy merchant crossed that house by calling utensil made of brass and tin for sale. The granddaughter heard that and she asked her grandmother to buy something for her. She replied, "Kanna, we don't have money to buy anything. We don't have anything to trade with." The granddaughter said, "We have that one old plate that we don't use. Let us see what the merchant will offer for it. We can get something we can use." Granddaughter asked her grandmother to buy something for her, but grandmother replied that, "Kanna, we don't have money to buy anything because they are very poor." Then the granddaughter said that they have an old plate which they don't use. And she said that let us see what the merchant will offer for that plate. And they can get something and they can use. Yes, we also sometimes used to exchange some things and buy some things, isn't it? Amma called the merchant and showed him the plate. She asked, "Will you take this plate and give any of your utensils?" The man took the plate and scratched it with a needle. He found that it was a golden plate. He said, "What is it worth? Not even 1 rupee." He threw the plate on the ground and walked away. The grandmother wanted to buy some utensils by exchanging the plate. So she called the merchant and showed the plate. She asked, "Will you take this plate and give any of your utensils?" The merchant took the plate and scratched with a needle. He found that that was a golden plate. Golden plate means it is worth, isn't it? But the merchant asked, What is it worth? Not even 1 rupee. He said that and threw the plate on the ground and walked away. Do you have any idea why the greedy merchant did like this? Come, let us see in the end. Both the merchants completed their streets. They had decided that either of them could go to any house that the other did not sell in. The first merchant passed the same old house and called utensils made of brass and tin for sale. The little girl again asked her Amama to check. Both the merchants completed their streets. They decided to go any house that the other did not sell in. The first merchant passed the same house and called utensils made of brass and tin for sale. Again the little girl asked her Amama to check. She said, Kana, the first merchant, threw the plate and went away. I have nothing else to offer. The girl replied, Grandma, that merchant was angry. This merchant looks nice. Maybe we will get something. Amama asked the girl to call the merchant and show the plate. The merchant took the plate in his hands and found that it was made of gold. He said, I am not rich enough to buy this plate. This is a gold plate. Amama said, Are you sure this is gold? The other merchant threw this plate on the ground and went away. Amama asked the girl to take the plate and show to the merchant. The merchant took the plate in his hand and he found that was made up of gold. He said that I am not rich enough to buy this plate because this is a gold plate. Amama said that, Are you sure? Is this gold? Because other merchant threw the plate on the ground and went away. So she asked doubtfully. The merchant said, I don't know why he did that. If you wish to sell it, take all the dishes you want. The little girl took some dishes of her choice, but the merchant was not happy. So he gave all his money, his donkey, his cart and his wares to Amama. He only kept 8 rupees for the ferry home. Then the merchant said he doesn't know why the merchant did that, and he said that if they want to sell the plate, please take all his dishes they want. The little girl took all the dishes of her choice. The merchant was not happy, so he gave what are the things he had with him: his cart, his donkey, his money, everything. He only kept 8 rupees for the ferry home. Ferry home is for transporting charge. He quickly went towards the river. He paid 8 rupees to the boatman to take him across the river. Soon the greedy merchant went back to the old house. He called the girl and said, I have changed my mind. I will give you 10 rupees for it. Amama said, You considered the plate worthless, but another merchant has paid a huge price for it and took it. The merchant took the 8 rupees and he went towards the river and asked the boatman to take him across the river. Soon the greedy merchant came to the same house and he said that he had changed his mind and he will give 10 rupees for that plate. Then Amama said that you considered the plate was worthless, but another merchant paid huge amount for that plate and took that. So he was disappointed. In the story, we have learned we should be honest. Yes, the first merchant was honest, so he got the golden plate and gave everything to them. But the second merchant was greedy and he wanted to cheat them. So at last, he could not able to get that plate. So children, we have to be honest and not to cheat others.